In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account, and once you're in, you'll want to head straight to the settings area. You can find this by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Users and Roles. After you enter the Users and Roles section, you will notice two tabs, one marked Roles. This is where you will begin configuring your user roles. Click on Roles, and then you'll see an option to create a new role. Click on New Role to start setting up a customized role for your future user. When creating a new role, you'll need to give it a name. Try to choose a name that reflects the responsibilities or department, as it makes the role easy to identify. Additionally, you might want to provide a brief description summarizing the role's responsibilities. This helps keep things organized. Next, you'll see a list of different modules, each with various permissions. It's essential to go through these modules to decide what access this new role will have. You can enable or disable permissions, such as the ability to view, create, edit, or delete within each module. If you require more detailed permission settings, there is an option labeled More Permissions. Here, you can fine-tune what users in this role are allowed to do. After you've made all the necessary changes, it's time to hit Save to ensure your new role is ready for use. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's move on to inviting users. Still in the Users and Roles section, navigate to the Users tab. In this area, you will do all the action of inviting new users to join your Zoho Books setup. At the top right corner, there's a button labeled Invite User. Click that to start the process. You'll then need to fill out some basic information for each user you're inviting. Begin with their email address and make sure it's accurate, because this is where their invitation will be sent. Enter their name as well, and select the role you've just created or another appropriate role from the drop-down menu. This assignment ensures they have the right permissions when they log in. Once all the information is complete, hit the Send button. The invitation is now on its way. The user will receive an email containing a link. When they accept the invitation, their status within your Zoho Books account will change from invited to active, confirming they are all set up and ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully set up user roles and invited users in Zoho Books, making your team collaboration seamless and efficient. Keep practicing these steps to become even more confident in managing users within your Zoho Books environment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.